In this video, we're going to work on a problem where we have to find a missing number. So if we have a problem like this that says fill in the missing number, and we have a blank box here, minus 5 equals 270. So make sure to pay attention to all the steps, and I'll go through them now. So find the number that makes the subtraction sentence true. So we're just rewriting this into a sentence. Okay, so here's the purple number we're trying to find, and we've replaced the box with a question mark. Minus 5, that's the minus 5, equals 270. Okay, and so the next step is to add 5 to both sides, because we want to get this question mark on its own right now. Would be the best way to do this problem. So how's that going to look? So we have question mark minus 5 plus 5 equals 270 plus 5. And you add the 5 on both sides because you want to make sure you keep the symmetry of the equation. So you can't just add 5 on one side. You have to do it to both sides. And you'll have to remember this later when we do more complex equations, and it'll come in handy for you then. Okay, so how's that going to look now? So you 5 minus 5 is equal to nothing. So now you're just left with question mark. And 270 plus 5 is equal to 275. So what comes next? Step 3 is the missing number is 275. So question mark is 275. And don't worry if you don't understand this right away, just watch the video again and it'll make sense. Also, I have an ebook in the description. You can download it and follow along all of the lessons. It'll be easier for you, and you can make some notes as well.